What if the moon just vanished tomorrow? It sounds unbelievable, Nan, but the consequences would shake our planet in ways you can't imagine. The moon isn't just a bright rock in the sky. It controls the tides, stabilizes Earth's rotation, and even affects life cycles. So, if it disappeared suddenly, the effects would be immediate and dramatic. First, tides would go completely out of control. Oceans would surge unpredictably, flooding coastal cities. Marine life dependent on tides would collapse, disrupting ecosystems worldwide. Next, Earth's axial tilt would become unstable. Seasons would shift unpredictably, making agriculture nearly impossible. Climate patterns would become chaotic, with extreme storms and droughts. Without the moon's gravitational pull, Earth's rotation would slowly wobble. Days and nights would lengthen over time. The planet's stability would decrease, increasing earthquake and volcanic activity. Humans wouldn't feel the effect immediately, but over decades,
Oh no, get back!
our planet's orbit could even slightly shift, affecting solar radiation and temperatures. Life as we know it could adapt, but Earth would be a much harsher place. Imagine walking on a beach, and the tides no longer follow any pattern. Our skies would be missing the moon's familiar glow. Cultural, emotional, and ecological impacts would ripple across humanity. So the moon might seem far away, but its absence would be catastrophic. Next time you look up at the sky, imagine what other hidden forces shape life on our planet.